Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you how to share Reels to Instagram Story. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram and find the Reel you want to share. This could be your own Reel or someone else's, just make sure it's the one you want to post. Step 2. Tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen and locate the Reel you'd like to share. This is where all your saved and watched Reels are stored. Step 3. Tap on the Share menu at the bottom of the screen, then select Add to Story. This will prepare your Reel to be posted as a story. Step 4. Customize the story by adding text, music, or stickers if desired. This step lets you personalize your story before sharing it. Step 5. Tap Share to post the Reel to your Instagram story. And just like that, your Reel is now live for all your followers to see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.